Well, on day 10, we were able to cover, let me see, Atlanta to Selma, Selma to Memphis, and all the way to my daughter in Little Rock to about 50 miles outside of Little Rock. We had to lay it down. Starts day 11. We're going to run from outside Little Rock. We're going to push through Oklahoma, head into Texas, and go from there. See how far we can get this day. Saw some cars, kept looking and looking. Way back in Mississippi, I said, hey, I got to stop at least ask, do you have what I'm looking for?
Drive 3.2 miles.
Afternoon. I met a guy on the road and I told him I was in search of old Impalas, like preferably a 61. He said, he gave me some ideals. He said, well, stop by the guys where all the cars are in front. They might have something.
I just seen you guys down there on the side of the road, didn't I?
Yeah, we took a picture of the Tennessee sign. 61. So I was curious if you would happen to have a 61 Impala two-door. Yeah, a four-door, but not a two-door?
He said a 64.
Oh, a 64?
61. He wants a 61. Oh, he's got a 61 four-door.
Oh, I need a two-door.
He needs a two-door.
I'm looking for a two-door.
That's going to be a hard one to find.
Yeah, 'cause I have a 63, a 64, and a 62 already that I'm restoring. And to make it a whole trio, I need a 61 two-door.
Nice.
Kind of hard to find that car. But since I was down south, I said, we're going our way back to California. I said, let me at least stop and ask some questions. You never know what you might
That's
find.
right. You never know. Don't hurt to ask, does it?
Oh, you don't hurt to ask. You don't know until you ask. Thank you much for your time. I appreciate that. You
found
guys,
the best place to check within about a 200-mile radius.
you guys have a business card or something I can get?
Right.
Right. Okay. Thank you much. Any other places I think I might look? I'm heading that way.
61? Not a clue.
Not a clue? Okay, well, we'll just roll up and see if we can find out. Appreciate your time.
Thank
guys.
you.
Good luck on your hunt.
Appreciate it.
Okay.
Be safe.
Oh, on the four-door, is that a complete car or a parts car? On the 61, is that a complete car or a parts car? Parts car. Okay. All right, thanks. Need two doors. Need two-door car. Thank you again. Once again, thank you very much. All right. Nope, they got a four-door.
Did you get it?
No, it's a four-door. It's a parts car. Took apart. At least I feel better. At least I stopped one time and asked somebody a question. I feel better. At least I stopped and asked somebody a question. So I won't be sitting here, what if and what if it? He said, well, we had a photo.
You didn't want to look at it.
No, four-door not worth having. That's a parts car. That's a front end parts, trunk parts. Nobody wants a four-door. He said, oh, that's a hard one to find.
I'm hungry.
Huh?
I said I'm hungry.
Yeah, we got 31 miles. Let's get some food. Where are we at today?
Little Rock, Arkansas.
Little Rock, Arkansas. We gassing and going for my number one, first one right here. You know, I came by to see her, wish her happy birthday. Happy birthday, Brianna, because she called me, Daddy, you ain't said call happy birthday, nothing.
Yeah,
how you gonna forget?
Real busy. He forgot.
I was on the ground, y'all, but you know that was no excuse. And she was the first one. Birthday was August 1st, and yes, I remember that date. But I was on the ground that day. But so I had to stop in person to make it up.
Appreciate it.
All right. Money's Car Stereo. We on tour still. Can't stop, won't stop. Gotta go. This is another one of playing it too close. we was remainder 17 in the middle of nowhere. Whew, boy, it's rough. So, you know, gotta take on your gas lines. Okay, yesterday we managed to put up how many miles yesterday? Turn this volume down. See it right there. We put up 892.
Damn it.
Yep. So total right now we at 7,204 miles for the whole trip. We got 19 to go, looks like. Yep.
The route is being. Please proceed to the highlighted route.
Oh yeah, and it's 5 a.m. and we're in Arkansas, about the middle still. Let me see something. So today we're gonna zero it out, see where we end up at. About 5:15 in the morning.
The route is being.